Welcome back friends, and in this video we are going to discuss old feature of WhatsApp, that is disappearing messages. I am getting a lot of queries regarding this. So what are the disappearing messages and how will you activate for a single chat or a group chat or for all new chats? I am going to discuss in this video. So those who are knowing it need not to see this video, but who wants to know about it, please continue with the video till the end. So, and the persons who are new to this channel, working first time to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, just I'm going to WhatsApp, and suppose I'm opening this one chat, and so I'm opening this chat, and if we want, what is the disappearing messages? Disappearing messages are those messages which will disappear after completing the certain amount of time which has been fixed by the user. So how much time? That is 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days. These 3 times are set by the WhatsApp for the disappearing messages. So after, suppose I'm sending a message, and after completion of that specific time which we have selected, that is 24 hours or 7 days or 90 days, the message will disappear. But if we want to keep that message, then if we can keep that message. If we are forwarding that message in between before disappearing, that message will not be deleted from the chats where we have forwarded. For in case of media, if we have downloaded it on the phone, that downloaded media will be there on our phone. It will not be deleted. So just going to here, and we will go to the profile, and from here we can disappearing message. For more privacy and storage, a new message will disappear from this chat for everyone after the selected duration, except if kept. So we can select 24/7 or 9, or we can off it. As soon as I am selecting it, this person will be notified. Okay, so this is all what I have to tell. And if suppose that person has updated and for 7 days, okay, then I have also right to turn that off. Means by selecting off, I can turn off. Means if the person is setting that chat for disappearing messages for any time, 7 days or 90 days or 24 hours, I can have opportunity, have right to override that thing and make it off. So this is and in group chats, if anybody in the group is activating the disappearing messages, group admin has every right to change that. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.